Right, the question is that we've got the difference between two numbers. A minus B is 8, or B minus A is 8. And they're telling you that they're telling you what one of the numbers is. So let's say that no, let's keep it as A minus B in both. First time round, let's say that A equals minus 5. Second time around, let's say that B equals minus 5. Okay? So let's put the numbers that we know. We've said that A is minus 5. So what do we know? If we rearrange this equation, A minus B equals 8. And we've now said that A is minus 5. Minus 5 minus B equals 8. So let's leave the B by itself here, and let's move the minus 5 to the other side of the equal sign. And we do that by adding 5 to both sides of the equal sign. Plus 5 minus 5 will give us the 0 here. This will give us minus B equals 13. I don't want to know what minus B is, I want to know what real B is. So how can I get rid of the minus on this side? Well, it's actually quite easy. I can get rid of the minus on this side by dividing both sides of the equation by minus 1. Minus B divided by a minus. A minus divided by a minus is a plus. This would give me B on its own. 13 divided by minus 1 would give me minus 13. So once you've done these a few times, you'll get to realize that if minus B equals 13, then plus B would equal minus 13. You actually just move the negative number over to the other side. So this is our first solution, minus 13. Are we ready? No, because we haven't done our check. If we took minus 5 minus 13, here we have two minuses. Minus times a minus is a plus. We get minus 5 plus 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. We've done it right. B must be minus 13. Okay? If you feel a bit uncertain about this method, there is a different way to do that. If you've got minus B equals 13, you can just move this B to the other side of the equation, and you can move the 13 to the other side. So you get rid of this minus B by adding B to both sides of the equation. You get rid of this 13 by taking 13 away from both sides of the equation. So here we get B minus B is 0. We get minus 13 equals 13 minus 13 is 0 equals B. So whichever way you use, you get minus B equaling minus 13. I think that this way is a little bit easier. Okay, so we know that when A is minus 5, B is minus 13. What about if B is minus 5 then? So here's our equation. A minus B equals 8. But now we're saying B is minus 5. So we get A minus 5 equals 8. This one's almost easier. Minus times a minus is a plus. So what we know is that A plus 5 equals 8. Subtract 5 from both sides to get rid of this plus 5, because we want letters on one side and numbers on the other, and we always start with plus and minus if we can. So let's subtract minus 5 to both sides. 5 minus 5 is 0. That's what we want. We want A by itself equals 8 minus 5 equals 3. Okay, if A equals 3, 3 minus 5 should equal 8, which it does, because a minus times a minus is a plus, so 3 plus 5 equals 8. So they were the two different solutions to these equations, if A equals minus 5 and if B equals minus 5. And these are the algebra skills that you have to feel confident in doing and practicing as much as you can.